It's simple to predict your future. In Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where leading biotechnological solutions and advanced healthcare platforms come to life in the hands of scientific experts such as GenePlanet, the European leader in preventative genetic testing, who has been improving people's lives by helping them make better decisions related to daily lifestyle choices. Today, GenePlanet is the top provider of innovative healthcare and lifestyle solutions and has been ranked among the 1,000 fastest-growing European companies, working with more than 500 hospitals and clinics around the globe.
At GenePlanet, our vision is to build a brighter and healthier future for our clients. Based on unique and objective insights from our DNA, blood biomarkers, and smart devices, we can assist each individual with tailored advice on nutrition, physical activity, lifestyle choices, and long-term health. With our help, people can protect themselves from preventable health risks and implement lifestyle changes for a better and healthier life.
More than 100 experts from different countries and fields have led GenePlanet to various successes. Breakthrough solutions like the Personalized Health Intelligence Platform and whole genome sequencing, which offers the possibility of decoding 100% of a person's DNA, has made sure that GenePlanet has taken the title of being the national winner in the 2019 European Business Awards, one of the world's largest business competitions. By being green, creative, and smart, GenePlanet is an example of the progressive Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Decide your future in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.